Good day, everyone. So this is the continuation of our report about the grading and reporting system. So what is components of student's grade? So the components of a student grade can vary depending on the educational institution and the specific course, but typically they include things like homework, assignment, quizzes, exams, projects, class participation, and possibly attendance. So for example, is the homework and assignments. So completion of assigned homework tasks possibly include problem sets, readings, essay, or other assignments. Next is what is method of computing final grade. So the method of computing a final grade involve various approaches to determine a student overall performance in a course. So this method can include weight averages, point-based system, percentage system, curve grading, absolute grading, and rubric-based grading. Each method has its own principle and calculation to assess and assign a final grade to students based on their performance in different components of the course. So, for example, weight average. So, each component of the grade, homework, quizzes, exams, etc., is assigned a certain weight or percentage, the final grade, in then calculate by multiplying each component's grade by weight and summing up result. Next is what is grading system for pupils and students under K-12 curriculum. In the K-12 curriculum, grading system typically involve a combination of numerical scores, letter grades, and qualitative assessments. Students receive grades based on their performance in various assignment, quizzes, tests, projects, and participation. So for example, is the numerical scores. So assignment, quizzes, tests, and other assessments are often graded using numerical scores. These scores can range from 0 to 100 or sometimes from 1 to 10, depending on the grading scale using by the school or district. And that's all po. Thank you.